everything. Holy shit.
Fix that.
What?
I say I'll have to fix that.
Oh, I didn't know.
Do you get a gun of it?
Yeah.
When we find out?
Once I've finished. I couldn't zoom in or anything because I had my hands over my bloody ears.
It should be coming to the way, shouldn't it? It should be
That way. Yeah, but I think they go into the wind. So that hunter might land somewhere.
Well, that's what it was it great for, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder what it was it great for, eh?
Now we just have to stand and wait for the hunter.
Are you already going to be going?
The hunter, yeah. Well, considering there's a long way to go, I might take a stroll around the garden. Be careful, I know what I'm doing. This is the garden. It's a bit tatty. Greenhouse. Oh my god! Grand Emerald, this is. Front of the house, I'm not going that far. Ooh! Ooh! Fuck that, I'm not going that way. I've got arachnophobia. Squash. Ooh! It's the Typhoon again!